Hello. We are at Fetes de Tuileries. It is one of the biggest Christmas markets in Paris, and we're going to go around today and see everything that's happening. There are tons of games, there's ice skating, there's lots to eat and drink, and so it's just a really fun activity. So I'm taking you with it. You want to see Paris at Christmas? It is time to see Paris at Christmas.
My stocking's filled with acid. Am I dreaming? What just happened? This is not a Christmas. This is not.
Ooh, Juju, they have saucisses. You get lots of saucisses.
There is ribs at the end if you want.
There's no sauce?
There is some wine, there is moutarde, ketchup,
Do we have to pay for it? But we can get some?
You just need to put the sauce in. You want me to bring sauce?
I think sauce is
It's very tasty.
Okay, so the market has tons of stalls. That's the best part. Lots of places to eat. This is a chocolate stall, so we're gonna stop here next. We could do it here.
Yeah.
Vin chaud ici?
Yeah, maybe I prefer.
It's just onion soup.
It's not marshmallow yet.
I think he has vin chaud aussi, no? Yeah. Quel type de vin chaud? Est-ce que tu... Bonsoir!
Oui. Vous avez du vin chaud rouge et vin chaud rouge. Et c'est gros. Et c'est ah oui, c'est petit ou grand. Et c'est quoi, c'est avec un peu de ah you want the red wine already here?
Ouais, vin chaud rouge.
Okay. We will take two. Tout petit?
Tout petit.
Well, we share one?
Non!
You want a full one for you?
Ouais.
On va alors deux petits. Okay, so this is Adriel drinking a wine with cannelle and fruits like a sangria, a hot sangria, we call that vin chaud de Noël.
C'est quoi?
So it's delicious and it's traditional for Christmas.
I learned tonight that cotton candy is called lavender. So good. Just hit the spot. Things, particularly about the Tuileries market, is that there is tons and tons of food that you can eat, and it is a great way to eat some of the different types of food that you'll find all around France. So you saw stalls that were raclette, you saw stalls that were sausage. So these are very kind of French cuisine. These are very like regional French cuisines, and so it's a lot of fun to be able to have them, you know, at the market. And so that's why I think that this marché, in particular, this Christmas market, is really fun because in addition to having games and fun rides and things that are suitable for all members of the family, as well as vin chaud, of course, and plenty of hot chocolate and plenty of hot apple cider, you can also still get to try some like local French flair, which you might not otherwise get to try. So I think that's one of the really great things about this market. So we're going to keep going through and see some more. Juju, are you afraid of heights? Are you afraid of heights? Juju, are you afraid of heights?
Yes.
Terrified?
This is less dangerous, Adrien.
Okay.
You have the petit canard, you take, and you have a number under.
That's what we're going to play, Juju.
That's less dangerous, Adrien.
Then what?
Than the big stuff like the way people vomit on the crowd. Oh, sometimes they vomit, huh? For true. It was my favorite, this one. When I was young, it was my favorite. This one was my favorite, Adrien. So fun.
It's scary, Juju. Oh my gosh. How do we get out? How did you get in here, Juju?
Wrong way, one. You need to run.
The wrong way too.
You need to run this one.
No, I'm not. They said specifically do not run. How do I get out of here?
That's very right. Nice here again.
No, it's here. Oh my gosh. How do we get out, Juju? Ooh. That was stressful.
I go first.
Go, Juju. Oh my gosh. That's so scary. I feel sick.
Let's go.
Oh, we're on yet another thing that spins. No, 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 no.
Huh?
No.
Let's go.
I know. I did. I couldn't. Go, Juju. Go. Go, Juju. Go, Juju. Oh my gosh. This is a horrible idea. Oh. Okay, Juju. Toboggan. Oh no. We are very, very high. This was not a good idea. Oh my gosh, it's very high. Look. You can see everything from up here. You can see everything from up here. It's crazy. I know.
Attends, you want to go first? Go first. Go first.
Oh my gosh.
C'est bon.
Your descent was less dramatic than mine. I had no idea that the word for slide was toboggan. Juju, I don't think we need to do this again. Yes. Yes. Allez-y.
Okay. Look, she doesn't even scream. Look, very courageous.
You go.
That's difficult.
I can rock in this too. This is fine. Well, what do you think? How do you feel?
A little want to vomit, but I think it was nice. It was more funny than we expected.
Yeah. And with that, we have finished our Christmas market, Tuileries, the Magi de Noël. I hope you have enjoyed coming through the market. I hope you've enjoyed the video and getting to see what the market is like. And hopefully you will get to stop by during your next trip to Paris. And if you're not going to Paris during the winter anytime soon, maybe I'd encourage you to make a trip during the Christmas season. All right, talk to you later. Bye.
Ago, I thought I'd take a